Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on how to save and load the inventory. Now here you see in the inventory I have many items, shoes and helmets and armors. We have everything. So even though character is currently not wearing them, if I save the game, now I saved the game and load the game, so I still have all the things that my character had, not just the items that I was actively wearing. So here, if I go into the inventory, I have them. Yeah, it's like this. Okay, so in the previous version, as of the previous episode, we were only able to save and load the items that the character is currently wearing or currently equipped. We did not have a way to save and load the items in the inventory, so we are going to take care of that today. And before we get started, let me remind you that you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I have done from my Patreon page. I'll leave the link in description below. Once you become a member, not just this project, you can download all thousands of projects that I have done in my channel. And this is a part of this action RPG with gameplay ability system series, so feel free to check out all other episodes as well. I'll leave the link to the full playlist in the description below. There you can see everything I have done in this project, how everything is implemented from scratch. Right, now let's get started with today's episode. Okay, so right now here if I play the game, I do have the items that I had already equipped before, but I don't see other stuff that I had in my inventory. So to show that again, let me recollect items from the inventory. Now here you see I have many items, but if I save the game again, our game is saved. You can see the pop-up here, and stop and restart. Now still I have the items that I have already equipped, but oh, we already have them. Cool. So yeah, but here, let me change to something else and go back. Now save the game, stop and restart. And now let's see, we have lost some items now. And let's check the stuff where we only have one. Okay, we have these shows. Let me switch again and go back. Okay, and save again, stop, restart. See, I have lost one item. So what happens here is when we change items through here and go back and save, stop, play again. Here, see, we have now only one. So yeah, as I was explaining, what happens is when I switch items through the inventory, I forced to remove granted ability from the character. So when I save, I only save the abilities that is already given and already have in the character's ability system. But when I have removed them, even though I have those items at the moment in the inventory, the abilities are not there in the character's ability system. So to fix this, I would have to save my inventory separately. So the inventory is saved in here in the player state. Here I have these variables. right hand weapon classes, left hand weapon classes, helmet classes, all these classes are in the player state. So I need to save them, and we can do that. First, let me go to save game object, and here we have abilities. Here I'll add a new variable. It should be in the same type as 𝐂𝐴_collect_sword. Collect sword class reference, and this should be an array. And then in the player state, do we have a interface? Yeah. Here I'll create a function, get all collectible items, and this should return class references, an array of class references. Here collect sword. This should be an array. So what I'm planning to do is get all the collectible item class references from the player state and save them into the save game object, and then later on I'm going to load them again. Right, so collectible classes. Oh, there is. Oh. Okay. Yeah. All right. Now let's implement it here. So yeah. Let's convert this to local variable. All classes, and then I'll append everything into this. Right hand, left hand, helmet, armor, gauntlet, gamma, everything. One, two, three, four, five. And if you press Shift D, you can align it like this. Similarly, Shift D, and alignment, distribute vertical. Okay, that looks clean. Now I'll return everything. Okay, then when I save function is defined in the character base. save. Yeah, here. Save character data. Get player state. Yeah, we should do that before we save it to the start. And here we have the save game class. Set oh, didn't give a name here. Inventory items. Let's say inventory collectibles. Set inventory collectibles. So we will set this with the items we get from player state. Get all collectible items. Okay. And straighten things up. Right. Now we have a way to save them. The next thing is how to load them. So here again we can here after this step, this is when this step is complete, we can get inventory collectibles and get player state, add to character. No, that's not how it should be done, because this is implemented in the character itself. Oh well, that should be actually fine. So that's right, because here also you can see. Let's check the definition. To character inventory, you just get the player state and add collectible class. Right, that should be fine. Or we could use this directly. For that also we need to run a for each loop. State to character inventory. Add collectible class. All right, now let's test it. So here, if I collect all these items, now in the inventory I have 3 kinds of shoes. So let me switch to these, go back, and 3 kinds of weapons. Let me switch a couple of times. Right, and helmets. Let me switch to non-horned helmet. All right, now save again and stop, play again, Go here. Yeah, we still have all these items, both helmets, all the show variants. Why am I not where? Okay, save again. This is odd. Why my character does not have those items? I have them in the inventory, but it's just I don't have them applied to the character. That's odd. Okay, I think this is the reason. When I use give and activate ability once, it doesn't keep the ability spec when I use this get all abilities. When I use this, if I have used this give ability and activate once, this spec does not remain in the ability system component for some reason. So what I have to do is this. I think I already did that last time, but somehow it's not there. Give ability. And yeah, instead of this, give ability and then activate, activate ability. Okay, here also. Give ability and activate, activate ability. Okay, remove this. And also I think I have, this is in the player. I have somewhere give ability and activate once. Yeah, here. Here also when we add default weapons. Here also I use give ability and then activate ability. Yeah. Now that issue should be gone. Let's see. Yeah. Let me equip weapons. Let me switch through a bunch of them so that I can test it. And we'll do the same for this as well. Right. Now this is what we have. Let me save. Okay, and load again. Yeah. Now we have everything as we were saving the game. Alright, so let me just check the inventory as well. Oh, it's gone. Ah, right. That's because for testing, yeah, I disconnected this just for testing. But I should have every item now. Yeah, see, I have it. Let me switch again and switch to this one. to. Okay, save again, stop, come back. Yeah, everything is there. Check the inventory as well, just in case. Yeah, all is there. All right, so I think that's all I want to work on today. Now we can properly save and load our game and character data and everything in the inventory without any problems. Maybe next time let's look into how we should make this work in a multiplayer game. So, but I need to think about how applicable this is for a multiplayer, in a multiplayer context. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.